Welcome to Future Tech Reviews, where we geek out over the latest gadgets so you don't have to. Today, we're talking drones, the ultimate excuse to look busy while really just playing with an expensive toy. We've got the top 5 trending drones of 2025 lined up for you, and trust me, these drones will make you feel like a spy in your own neighborhood. Ready to take off? Let's dive in. Drone number 5, DJI Mini 4 Pro. Kicking off our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This little guy is so lightweight, it's like carrying a feather with Wi-Fi. At under 250 grams, it's portable, FAA friendly, and perfect for sneaky aerial shots of your neighbor's backyard. Just kidding, don't do that. Its 4K HDR camera and 34 minutes of flight time are perfect for capturing stunning sunsets, or maybe just seeing how bad traffic is from above. If you're new to drones, this is your perfect wingman. Drone number 4, DJI Air 3S. Next up, the DJI Air 3S, a drone that's basically the Swiss Army knife of the skies. With dual cameras, wide angle and telephoto, you'll never miss a shot, whether it's a scenic landscape or your dog chasing the mailman. The 46-minute flight time means it can stay in the air longer than most of us can stay focused. And with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, this drone is basically smarter than your average GPS. Trust me, this one's a multitasking marvel. Drone number 3, DJI Neo. Coming in at number 3 is the DJI Neo, aka the selfie stick of the future. This tiny drone is perfect for content creators who want to add a little flair to their TikToks and Instagrams. It's like having your own personal cameraman, except it doesn't complain about long hours. For just $199, it's budget-friendly and even listens to voice commands, so you can finally feel like a superhero shouting, "Take off." If you're all about the gram, this one's for you. Drone number 2, Autel Evo Nano Plus. Now, let's talk about the Autel Evo Nano Plus, which sounds like a fancy coffee order but is actually a seriously impressive drone. With its 50-megapixel camera and advanced stabilization, your aerial shots will look so good, people might think you work for National Geographic. It's small, easy to fly, and perfect for those of us who occasionally forget to read the manual. Oh, and it has obstacle avoidance, so it won't end up tangled in your grandma's clothesline. Win-win. Drone number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. And finally, the big kahuna, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This is the drone that makes all the other drones look like they're still in kindergarten. With a micro Four Thirds sensor and jaw-dropping 5.1K resolution, your videos will look so cinematic, Spielberg might call you for tips. It's got 46 minutes of flight time and advanced autonomous flight modes, so while it's doing all the hard work, you can just sit back and take credit for being a drone genius. This one's for the pros, and the pros at heart. And there you have it, the top 5 drones to take your adventures to new heights. Ready to pick one up and make all your friends jealous? Check out the links in the description to get started. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Future Tech Reviews, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our epic content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the sky's the limit, literally.